So, welcome back. Now I want to show you the second part of my bench. The first part I showed you already. You will find it down on the link in my description. And also I want to say also a story about it because it has a story and we have to go inside there. So I showed already how I did the cement bench with the bricks and cement, and also the outside, exactly the base and the mosaic and how to install it. First of all, I want to say thank you to Anya. I met her in the exhibition. She is organizing with a group of 100 women. She got inspired about my story and she wants that I do an event here in the garden about the wall also that I did, inspired by my dad. And also Marcel, she inspired me too. She came from Canada to see also my exhibition here, and she gave me a gift, this stone here, and I made a wish and I put it here. So this one, actually, you have to know, I chose the spiritual life. So I wanted everyone comes and make a wish, but about values, not just like that, and stick a stone here. If everything goes well, the event will be next month. I will also do a video about it and see the reaction, how they react, and answer also questions. So even you, if you have questions, you can ask me. That's not a problem, really. I like to help, and yes. So now I want to show you just a very quick review about the first part and then the rest. So this one will be the next project. This is a table. I didn't glue them, these pieces. I built this table with cement and bricks also. And as soon as I finish this one, and I have to edit also. Don't forget, it takes time to do a video. I will show you how I did this this table from the beginning to the end, okay? So you take care and enjoy life. Thank you for watching, and if you want to comment, you feel free to comment and ask me whatever you want, okay? Take care. Bye.